welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be talking to you guys all about sunscreens. Here in Hyderabad, it's extremely hot. It's about 40 degrees, even though we're supposed to apply sunscreens during all times of the year. But I felt like summer is the best time because you can start investing, and this sun outside is really harsh and you're not supposed to go outside with any less protection than using a sunscreen. I think there's only one that is about 1,000 rupees. Apart from that, all of these are very affordable and most of these are made in India products. So without any further ado, let's get started. Starting off with one of my favorite sunscreens, that is from the house of VideoMirco. Now this is the VideoMirco's 1% Sunscreen Aqua Gel. This has SPF 50, PA++++. They're like 4 pluses. This is a fragrance free product and this is so soft. Even when I apply it on my hands, it is such a lightweight formula. It's like a gel formula. It kind of gets evaporated in the skin in 2 seconds. Like it needs just one massage and it's done. I really like this. I've been using it for about, I think I want to say like 7 to 8 months. I really like this one. With all the research that I've done, what I understood about sunscreens is like this. So when it says SPF 50, you add another 0, so that's 500 minutes. So this sunscreen on your body is very effective for the 500 minutes, and after that it is not. So you have to reapply your sunscreens. So definitely carry your sunscreen when you're going out. I do have a very nice application of sunscreen that you can apply even when you have a makeup on like me. But this is my absolute favorite sunscreen. This is such an easy formula. And this is only for 495 bucks. You can always find sales on VideoMirco products and all of these are available on Nykaa. The second one that I have is from the house of Cetaphil. Now this is the SPF 50. It's a light gel, and now this has an UVA and UVB protection. It's a very lightweight formula. This is also a broad spectrum sunscreen. You guys can see how much I've used this, right? This is something I've used even before using VideoMirco. So I think this, I've been using it for a year. The only problem with Cetaphil sunscreens are it has a lot of white cast. That is the only problem with, can you see the amount of white cast it has? Kind of makes my face ashy. So I kind of like using it up on my body because this is much easier. And this one, I think I got it from Amazon for about 700 rupees or something. All of the links will be in the description box down below. This is really good. This says SPF 50 plus, so it's not mentioned how much, but this is really good. This is also a fragrance free product. All these sunscreens are 99, but there's only one product with a little bit of fragrance. After that, everybody else doesn't have any fragrance. I really like this sunscreen. This is a one sunscreen that you can use on hiking and all of that, because I feel like Cetaphil does a really great sunscreens, and on the body I feel this is a best buy. Coming to body sunscreens, I have another one. This is from the Plum. This is the rice water and 2% niacinamide sunscreen. Now this is a hybrid sunscreen that has a lot of white cast. Like I'm gonna like literally apply it over here and show you guys how much white cast is there in this. This is one of the sunscreens that has a lot of white cast. Can you see that? Even before, yeah, it takes a lot of time to melt and you know all of that, so it does leave a little bit of white cast. I did get it for my face, but because, can you see this? This has the 1% VideoMirco and this has the Plum one, so it does take a little bit more time to kind of melt off and all of that. So I like using this also on the body, because on the body I don't think it affects a lot. So I feel like this is really good. It also tells it brightens the skins and reduces blemishes. I'm not a fan of like this reducing blemishes thing. It doesn't do anything, but really good for a body. So definitely these two are for the body. Now that we are in the era of body sunscreens and all of that, let's talk about another best body sunscreen, and this is for 399 rupees. Really affordable, and for body I feel like this is really good. It doesn't take off very light, okay? Even though it is like very little, it does work for a very long body parts. Like I've been using it for like 3 months now and it's not done yet. So I feel like for body it's gonna last a little longer. Another product that I have for body sunscreens is this beautiful product from Pilgrim. This is their sunscreen lotion. This has SPF 50, PA+++, and this also has a blue light protection. This is also an oil-free formula. This is so lightweight. This does not have any white cast. Really easy to blend, and it's absolutely pretty. One of the best sunscreen lotions or serums that I found in the Indian market is from this. I really like this, and this is for 450 rupees. You can always find discounts on Nykaa again. I really like this. This is like a broad spectrum sunscreen. I love using this on the body, especially on my feet, where my, like when I wear my shoes, whatever is showing off, the remaining part, I like to apply that a lot. Now coming to the very famous sunscreens of Indian market are from the house of Dot & Key. The first one is their Vitamin C plus E SPF 50 PA triple plus. Now this has a UVA and UVB protection with blue light. Now this is very watery. Like I can literally open this and it'll leak, like, you know. This is, I'm not even pressing anything, okay? And you can still see there's a drop that's gonna fall. Like, it is very watery. It's very, very light. It's like a water light formula. It's very light. It's very nourishing. This is also a fragrance free product, and I feel like because it is fragrance free, it works really, really well on any skin tone. I don't think it irks anything. For even sensitive skins that have a lot of acne, I don't think this is going to be a problem. There's no white cast, it's fragrance free, everything is good. This is for 495, but in the recent pink summer sale that Nykaa had, I got this for 290 rupees. There was a buy one get one, so definitely look out for offers. You can get this for like 300 bucks. Absolutely cheap and affordable. The next sunscreen is also from the house of Dot & Key, and that is Watermelon Cooling Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA triple plus. This is in such a cute packaging. Both of these are from the same brand. You can actually find the difference even in the product as well. This is more like a runnier white kind of a texture. This is not that much. This is a really very, it does have a milky texture, but it is very light. None of these products are fragrance products. Again, this is also a very light formulation, very pretty. There's no white cast. This also has infrared protection in this. Both of these are really pretty, and both of these have two different uses. So if I'm going to be in the sun, like, you know, walking and doing street shopping, I would apply this. But at the same time, if I'm going into my offices, or, you know, if I'm going to get my diagnostics checkup and all of that, this works because this also has IR protection. Really like both of these. These two have two different formulas, and both of these are worth it. No, this video is not sponsored. The next sunscreen that I have is from the house of Vaseline. This is their sunscreen, Sun Protect and Calming. This has SPF 30. This is like a body serum lotion. It has neem extracts. Now this is fragrance, and this is a really a nice texture. Like, you know, it's like a body lotion, and you just apply it all over your body, and that's all. This has no white cast, nothing. It does give a little bit of mattifying effect on your body. Vaseline summer, if you're somebody who makes your body very sticky, you don't want to apply a body lotion then a body sunscreen, definitely go for something that has sunscreen in it. And this is for 449 rupees on Amazon. You can always find it on discounts. It is really good. Like, there's halfway done, and it's like a really nice product. For me personally, I feel like this is enough if I'm in the house. Now coming on to the topic of sunscreen touch-ups. One of the few things that I really love is sunscreen touch-ups, and I've fallen into this new love recently, not that old. I have two beautiful sunscreen touch-ups right here, and the first one is from the very trusty house of Vaseline. This is their UV protection stick. Now this is one of a very nice sticks. This has SPF 50 PA triple plus and another plus. Yeah, it comes in this twist up kind of a format, and you can just apply it on your skin directly. But the best thing that I like to do is I like to take the silicone puff and I apply it on my skin. If I'm not wearing any makeup, I can apply it, but you do have to clean it up. Remember that always. I like applying it on my neck because on my neck I don't have any, can you see this? Absolutely nothing. I don't have any foundation or makeup anytime. So I like applying it on my neck and on my feet, especially on my elbows and all of that. Really like it. I don't apply it on my feet directly. What I like to do is I have two of these. One I use it for the feet and the other one is for the entire body. Love this one. This is an absolute favorite. This I bought it for 500 bucks, but now on Amazon when I checked it right before the video, it's for 7.99. Wait around, you'll get an offer. You can definitely buy it. And the next touch-up sunscreen that I have is from the house of M Caffeine, and now this is their powder sunscreen with SPF 50 PA triple plus. Now this sunscreen does not work. Now this sunscreen comes in a really cute packaging. You have your powder here and there's a brush right here. You can do this and you can use it like this. But the problem with this is this does not work. Like, there's not a lot of powder accumulation on top, so it kind of gets a little difficult to get the powder out. So what I like to do is I literally did a jugaad. I removed the cap and I literally put my brush in it and I apply it. That's literally how I do it because it works for me very well like that. And these two are always in my bag. Either one of this is in my bag for touch up and all of that, especially during summers. I sweat a little bit nowadays. I've realized that I'm going to sweat way too much. But these are all the sunscreens that I love. Let me know if there are any sunscreens I should try. But if you like such kind of informative videos, give it a like and thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below what else do you want me to make. Subscribe to my channel, come join my family, it'll mean a lot to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Let's go.